Sermon number 131. Grounds for accepting the Caliphate, and the qualities of a ruler and governor. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A people of differing minds and divided hearts, whose bodies are present but wits are absent. I am leading you, amicably, towards truthfulness. But you run away from it like goats and sheep running away from the howling of a lion. How hard it is for me to uncover for you the secrets of justice, or to straighten the curve of truthfulness. Am I Allah? Thou knowest that what we did was not to seek power nor to acquire anything from the vanities of the world. We rather wanted to restore the signs of thy religion and to usher prosperity into thy cities, so that the oppressed among thy creatures might be safe and thy forsaken commands might be established. Am I Allah? I am the first who leaned towards thee, and who heard and responded to the call of Islam. No one preceded me in prayer, salat, except the Prophet. You certainly know that he who is in charge of honor, life, booty, enforcement of legal commandments and the leadership of the Muslims should not be a miser as his greed would aim at their wealth, nor be ignorant as he would then mislead them with his ignorance. Nor be of rude behavior who would estrange them with his rudeness, nor should he deal unjustly with wealth thus preferring one group over another, nor should he accept a bribe while taking decisions, as he would forfeit others' rights and hold them up without finality, nor should he ignore sunnah as he would ruin the people.